Hi everyone, welcome to this video. In this video today I'm going to show you how you can use Google Lens and what the benefit you will get using Google Lens. So let's start. Just open Google Lens. Google Lens is available in most Android and iOS phone. If you have in case not available, you can download from Play Store or App Store. Anyway, here is Lens. I'll open this Lens. So I want to identify the name of this flower, so I find somewhere this flower and I want to know exactly what is the name of this flower. So just to take this one, just open Google Lens. Then your data should be available. You should either, if you are within Wi-Fi range, it's okay, you are allowed to go with, and if you are not within Wi-Fi range, then you should probably need to make your data on for internet access. So after you are done, you can go through like this. Open this camera, then just take the photo of this one. So click this one. So you can see a similar suggestion, many suggestions. So either one is the correct one. So choose the matching one. So I think this is the one. So lips also should be same. So same way you can go here. This is my image. It should be matched exactly as per my image. So in this way you can go with. So here I think this is the one. So let's open this. Yes, exactly, this is the one. So you can see here cloud is matching, and among this flower you can see some thorny seeds. So this is exactly matching. So what is this plant name? Plant name is glandularia. So this plant's name is glandularia. So you can take the image for your reference. Just you can copy this one. Just copy this one. Okay, copy. After then you can take the photo of this. Take the photo. Make as high resolution as you can. So take this photo, several photos. Okay, one photo is saved. From this angle I'll take one. So you can rename these photos. Move it down. So recently I take the photo of this one. This is the one photo I took. So just rename this one. Rename. Paste. Dot. It should be JPEG extension JPG. You are ready to go. So in your gallery now this flower is available. Okay, this flower is either one is I have renamed. This is not renamed. Okay, this second one I renamed. So when you click detail, you see the name glandularia.jpg. So you are done. So whatever you see, same way you can open Google Lens and Google will suggest what is the name of this flower. Thank you for seeing this video. If this video if it help you, then obviously you can like. Thank you for seeing this video.